Gunmen dash from taxi as driver threatened to crash vehicle. Hotel worker killed in St. James 5-vehicle collision. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Police assigned to the Kingston East Division have charged an 18-year-old student after he and another man were accused of trying to rob a taxi operator at gunpoint at the intersection of Victoria Avenue and Elliston Road in Kingston. Reports are that the robbery attempt went south when the taxi operator threatened to crash the vehicle. The incident took place on Sunday, July 23rd. The student, Kimani Small, otherwise called Con, of Anderson Street in Kingston, has since been charged with assault with the intent to rob, assault at common law, and being armed with a prohibited weapon. Reports from the lawmen are that Small and another man boarded a taxi in the Mandley Meadows community at about 11 a.m. One of the men sat at the rear of the vehicle, whilst the others sat in the front passenger seat. The one at the back reportedly brandished a firearm, which he placed at the driver's head and demanded all his property. The driver started to speed and both men jumped from the vehicle. On Monday, July 31st, Small was arrested and placed on an identification parade where he was pointed out. His alleged accomplice is still at large. A court date is being arranged for Small. A man is now dead following a motor vehicle accident on the Flankers Main Road in St. James on Monday night. He has been identified as Adrian Laderick, a chef of West Green and Belmont addresses in the parish, who is also employed at a hotel in Rhodes Hall.